back to our tips and tricks series. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain your BRIG rigid inflatable boat. There are a few products we recommend you use to help look after your hypalon tubes. We strongly advise that you rinse and wash your boat after every use, or every week if your boat resides on the water near salt air. You can use detergent or boat wash and lots of fresh water, making sure to remove all the salt from your boat. Washing after every use will prevent the salt from damaging your boat, which if left on can cause corrosion, chalking, or pitting. Another product we recommend is a degreaser. This is the product dealerships use when detailing your BRIG. It is really the best product to get the hypalon tubes looking their best. It is great to use if you're looking to clean and revitalize the tubes or wipe off any tough, dirty spots or grime that can't be removed with your normal everyday cleaner. The best part about this cleaner is that it's super simple to use. You just spray and wipe. You can use this on the C-deck, tubes, and gel coat, but don't use it on the Silvertech cushions. Just simply follow the instructions on the label for the best results. Another product we use and always recommend is 303 UV Protection Polish. We recommend that you apply this polish every 3 months if kept outside, or 1 to 2 times a year if kept in a garage or fully covered. The hypalon tubes on your BRIG are UV stable, but we suggest using this product for long-term protection and for maintaining the tubes. We favor this brand over others because it doesn't contain silicone, which can hinder any work you get on your hypalon tubes in the future. The great thing about this product is that it is just as simple to use. You just spray and wipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Bye!